But before we get started, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming science videos. Now let's jump right in. What is an ultrasonic homogenizer? An ultrasonic homogenizer is a powerful laboratory instrument used to break down and homogenize various types of samples. It utilizes high-frequency sound waves to disrupt and disperse particles, creating a uniform mixture. This technology is widely used in research fields such as biotechnology, pharmaceuticals, food science, and more. How does an ultrasonic homogenizer work? The basic principle behind an ultrasonic homogenizer is the phenomenon known as cavitation. Cavitation occurs when high-frequency sound waves pass through a liquid medium, creating alternating high-pressure and low-pressure cycles. During the low-pressure cycles, tiny bubbles form and grow within the liquid. When these bubbles reach a critical size, they rapidly collapse or implode, generating intense localized energy. These implosions create shock waves and microjets, which result in the disruption and breakdown of particles within the sample.